Google Docs versus Notion. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools available to organize your thoughts and ideas? Today, we're diving deep into a classic digital dilemma: Google Docs or Notion. Which one is the better fit for your note-taking needs? Relate to audience. Let's face it, in the digital age, our lives are a constant juggling act. We're juggling work, personal projects, and everything in between. And amidst this chaos, finding a reliable note-taking tool can be a game-changer. Highlight the importance of note-taking. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves to jot down their thoughts, effective note-taking is a crucial skill. It helps us stay organized, improve our memory, and even spark new ideas. Google Docs, a familiar friend. Pros of Google Docs. Accessibility. It's part of the Google Workspace suite, making it easily accessible to most people. Collaboration. Google Docs is great for collaborating with others on projects. Formatting. Offers a wide range of formatting options for creating structured notes. Integration. Seamlessly integrates with other Google tools like Sheets and Slides. Cons of Google Docs. Limited structure. Can become cluttered and difficult to navigate for complex note-taking systems. Less flexible. Not as flexible as Notion when it comes to customization and organization. Notion, the versatile contender. Pros of Notion. Customization. Highly customizable with various templates and blocks, allowing you to create unique note-taking systems. Flexibility. Offers a wide range of features, from databases and Kanban boards to calendars and wikis. Organization. Provides powerful organization tools like tagging, linking, and hierarchies. Learning curve. While it may have a steeper learning curve, the payoff in terms of customization and flexibility can be significant. Cons of Notion. Steeper learning curve. Can be overwhelming for beginners who are used to the simplicity of Google Docs. Potential for complexity. The flexibility of Notion can lead to overcomplicating your note-taking system. Comparing key features. Formatting and structure. Discuss the differences in formatting options and how each tool handles hierarchical structures. Collaboration. Compare the collaboration features of both tools, including real-time editing and comment capabilities. Organization and search. Explore how each tool helps you organize your notes and search for specific information. Templates and customization. Discuss the available templates and customization options in both Google Docs and Notion. Choosing the right tool. Consider your needs. Ask yourself, what kind of notes do you typically take? How important is collaboration to you? Do you prefer a simple or complex note-taking system? Try both tools. Encourage viewers to experiment with both Google Docs and Notion to see which one suits their workflow better. Summarize the main advantages and disadvantages of each tool. Provide your personal opinion on which tool you prefer and why. Ask viewers to share their thoughts and experiences in the comments. Invite viewers to subscribe to your channel for more productivity tips and tool reviews. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.